If you want to start selling on Whop, one of the first things you need to know is how to create a paid product the right way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can set up a subscription product inside Whop, add your branding, choose your pricing model, and publish it to your store with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are on your home feed inside Whop. Once you are there, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where Whop keeps all of your main dashboard tools. From that sidebar, click on Dashboard. This will take you into your merchant view, which is the seller side of your account, where you can manage products, settings, and everything connected to your store. Once your merchant dashboard loads, take a moment to look at the left panel again. This is where the different store management sections are organized. To begin creating your product, click on Products from the menu options. This is the area where all of your existing items live, and it's also where you'll create a brand new paid product from scratch. Now that you're on the Products page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Create Product. Click that to start the setup process. Whop will now open the product creation flow, and this is where you'll build out the offer that your customers will see in your store. The first part of the setup is filling out your product details. Start with the name field. This should be clear, descriptive, and easy for customers to understand. Next, add your headline. This is a short line that explains what the product is about or what the buyer gets access to. After that, upload a banner image. A strong banner helps your product look more professional and makes it stand out in your storefront. So choose something clean, branded, and relevant to the offer. After you've completed the basic details, it's time to set your pricing model for the paid product. Select Paid Access, and then, from the drop-down menu, choose Recurring. This is the option you'll use if you want to turn the product into a subscription model. Once you select Recurring, enter your price, choose the payment duration, and select your currency. The payment duration is important because it determines how long the subscription lasts before it renews. So take a moment here to make sure the billing structure matches exactly how you want to sell the product. Once your pricing is set, click Next in the top right corner. On the next screen, Whop will ask you to choose the apps you want to include with this product. This is where you connect the features or tools that the customer gets access to after purchase. Select the apps that are relevant to your offer and make sure they match the experience you want to deliver. After selecting your apps, click Next again. You'll now land on the final review screen where you can check the product's details one last time. This is your chance to make sure everything looks right before publishing. Double check the product name, headline, image, pricing model, subscription duration, currency, and any apps you added. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click Save Product to instantly push the new item live to your store. Once you save it, your paid product is created and ready for customers to view and purchase. That's it. You've successfully built a paid recurring product in Whop. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if you want more step-by-step guides on Whop and other creator tools, stick around because I've got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.